In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers in a Confluence table, a useful technique to enhance the organization and clarity of your data. So, whether you're managing a project, creating a report, or simply keeping track of vital information, adding numbers can be highly beneficial. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to navigate from your Confluence homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a list of various workspaces available to you. These workspaces are essentially collaborative areas where specific teams or projects are managed. Take a moment to locate and choose the workspace relevant to the task at hand. After selecting your desired workspace, the next step is to identify the particular page where you intend to add numbers in a table. With potentially numerous pages in a workspace, it's essential to select the right one. Once you've found the appropriate page, you simply need to click on it. This action will open the page and allow you to view its contents. Now that you have the page open, it's time to make some edits. Look for the Edit button, which is typically located near the top of the page. Click on it to enable editing mode. This will allow you to make the necessary alterations to the content, especially if your goal is to organize data in a table format. With editing mode activated, locate the table into which you want to insert numbers. Click inside the table, and you'll be ready to input your data. It's important to click in the exact area where numbers will be added, ensuring that you maintain the table's structure and format. Now, let's focus on how to add the numbers effectively. There are two straightforward methods to add numbers in a Confluence table. One approach is to use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl+Shift+7. This shortcut will automate the numbering process, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your table. Alternatively, you can use the toolbar located at the top of the page. This option is visually driven, making it a preferred method for those who favor tactile interactions. Look for the numbering icon on the toolbar and click it to add numbers to your table. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added numbers in a Confluence table, making your data organized and easier to interpret. Whether you use the keyboard shortcut or the toolbar, the key is that you now have a neat and numbered table to present your information lucidly. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore more ways to enhance your Confluence pages and keep optimizing how you manage your data. Goodbye for now, and happy organizing.